So in the United States, we have about 16,000 golf course facilities. And in Florida, where we have more than any other state, we have about 1,300 and about 500 golf communities. So golf courses can be really valuable urban green spaces. If you think about an urban area where you've got really fragmented habitat, lots of buildings, roads, parking lots, golf courses provide a refuge from that space. So you've got cooler temperatures, you've got wildlife habitat, water filtration, plants on there sequestering and storing carbon. If you look at how the acreage of a golf course is used, about 40 to 70% is not used for the game of golf and what we call out of play. But a lot of that space is still turf grass. But some of the research that we have done has shown that if you replace turf grass areas with flowering plants, specifically a diverse planting of flowering plants, we increase pollinator populations by about 6-fold on golf courses. And that includes a lot of parasitic and predatory insects. Importantly, a lot of those insects also feed on insect pests. What we have seen that is if you are managing a turf area next to flowering habitats, we get about a 50% increase in natural pest regulation from those predatory and parasitic insects that are attracted to the flowers. Wildflower habitats aren't maintenance free, so there is some maintenance that goes into those. However, you don't have to irrigate them, fertilize them, or mow them nearly to the same degree that you do these turfgrass areas. We're doing additional research looking at specific types of plant species mixtures may be optimal, how different inputs may affect plant-insect interactions in these habitats, and at a larger landscape scale, how specific courses and their surrounding landscape may influence the conservation value they provide. Ultimately, I hope that this work really encourages golf course superintendents throughout Florida and beyond to think critically about where they could create conservation habitats and how that may benefit their business and their operations. I believe in Florida there are about 5 million people who play golf annually, and that translates to about 60 million rounds of golf. And so if the golf courses they're playing on have conservation spaces, they have wildflower habitats, and even better if they have signage next to those spaces, it's an excellent opportunity to educate the public and really integrate wildlife and people.